students. Today we started a new topic in the grammar, which is types of verbs. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. And what are the types of verbs? There are different types of words, but this year you're going to learn the type of verbs based on the object, use of object. So based on the use of object, this is divided into two types. One is transitive and another is intransitive. And here we go with the elaborate study of transitive and intransitive verb. Verb is an action word. For example, each and every actions what you do, we call it as verb. Take, play, sing, dance, go, sing, run, jump, sit, stand. All these are verbs. There are two types of verbs. One is transitive, another is intransitive. What are transitive verbs? For example, my mom made castle or my mom made a cake. In this, my mom is a subject. A subject is the word about which we talk the sentence. And made is an action word, so it is a verb. Kesari. So, Kesari is the object because an object is a word which answers for the question what or to whom. So, objectங்கிறது என்னன்னா இது what இல்லனா to whom அப்படிங்கிற questionக்கு it will answer. My mom made what? My mom made kesari. So, it answers to the question what, and that is an object. If you hide this object and read my mom made, it will not give you any meaning. Only with the object, the verb made gives the meaning. So only with the object, the verb made gives a complete sentence. So it is called as transitive verbs. Simply, transitive verbs will have the object. And only with the help of object, the sentence will be complete and it gives a meaning. The next sentence is Vidushri gave me a pen. For example, Vidushri is the subject here and gave is the verb here. Me. Vidushri gave a pen to whom? To me. So to whom? It answers to the question to whom, and that is called as object. A pen. Vidushri gave what? A pen. So both me, a pen or objects. So simply if you say Vidushri gave, the sentence is not complete, right? So the verb gave should take the objects me and pen to give a complete meaning. So here gave is a transitive verb. The boy broke the window. Here the boy is a subject and broke is the verb and the window is what? Answers to the question what and it is object. So simply if you say the boy broke, what a charm, it will not give meaning. The boy broke what? A window. So it takes the object and it is converting into transitive verb. So simply transitive verb will have a format of subject plus verb plus object. Even it can have additional information. But however, in a sentence, if the verb is followed by the object, it is a transitive verb. The second type is intransitive verb. So in this intransitive verb, we need not add any object. For example, the birds fly in the sky. The birds subject, fly verb. In the sky, the birds fly where? It answers to the question where, not what or to whom. It is answering to some different question called where, how, when. All these are additional informations. When the verb takes additional information, if it is not taking any object, even though it is giving a complete meaning, it is called intransitive verb. The next example is the baby cries loud. The baby subject cries is verb and loud is how the baby cries. It cries loud. So it is an additional information. It's not answering to any what or to whom questions and it is not converting into any object. So here there is no object, so we tell it as intransitive verb. Intransitive verb. So simply intransitive verb will have a subject, verb and some additional informations. This additional information is optional. It may or may not have in the sentence. In simple, transitive verb is a verb which takes an object and gives a complete meaning. Intransitive verb is a verb which need not have any object. It will have only additional information. Without the additional information also, it can give any meaning. With this, we will end the session, guys. We also done the book back exercises based on this concept. And also in your workbook, page number 31 and 32 is filled with all these conceptual examples. You can have a glance over it and complete it. Bye, guys.